Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a mini oven mitt. They're super fun and easy to make, and also I have a new series called In the Kitchen, and this is our first sewing tutorial. So let's get started. And the supplies needed is cotton fabric, Insul-Bright, and also I have a link in the description box for the free pattern. I begin by adding a layer of Insul-Bright to the wrong sides of the fabric. Once I make my sandwich, then I sew. And using the 1.5-inch strips, I iron, fold in half, place on the fabric, and sew. And once sewn, place pieces right sides together and then add a top layer of the Insul-Bright. Clip or pin and then sew. And now top stitch right above the trim. And now I'm going to baste the top sections to the bottom. And now it's time for the binding. I did cut my own binding at 2¼ inches, and that is on the bias. I needed to be on the bias because of the curved edges. We want our fabric to be able to be stretchable. When I begin sewing the binding, I do leave approximately 1.5 inches of the binding overlapping, and then once sewn, I almost sew it closed, but then I trim and then tuck in and then sew. And now it's time to make the hanger. I use approximately 2 by 4 inches of fabric. But thanks for watching, everybody. Happy sewing. See you next time.